Alright, this is a video I'm filming just because I don't think many people know that I even offer this, but I do offer a headlight taillight only kit, which does also include a horn, because some states don't even require you to have blinkers. So that's one of these kits with the new V3 taillight as well, and you can see that. And then obviously these are just the license plate mounts. I plug these holes with a little bit of hot glue just to keep water coming in from here. If the customer doesn't run a plate mount or whatever, then that's what that's there for. But those holes are originally for a plate light. But anyway, I've got this hooked up to my benchtop power supply just to show you how it all works. So this comes with a really small bar switch, and this top one activates the whole kit. The bottom one is for the horn, but you just press that once, it turns on, and then you have the headlights and the tail light as well, obviously. But this whole kit will save you a little bit of money because the one with the blinkers on it is going to cost you a little bit more than this one will. Let me actually pull this up and then let you know exactly how much this is going to cost. And this particular customer did not opt for the TKO clamps, which I honestly recommend that you buy those just because it's a way more solid way to mount these. They're made in Idaho by a local company, so another way to support US businesses. And he uses aluminum from the US. It's anodized by a company also in Idaho. All the work is done to them right up there in Idaho. But this is what these look like. They're super nice. Just billet aluminum essentially, and they come with the hardware and everything to mount them. But anyway, if you want to just mount these to the radiator shrouds, you can. But this whole kit is $150. So it's, about half the price of the full fat kit, but it comes with everything you need. Obviously there's an extender piece to hook this tail light up that's in between here that I will add before I box this up. But instructions come with it too. But if this is all you want or need, then this is a great way to do it. If you want to do headlights only, I'd be happy to make you a kit that's just headlights only. Like I said, I'll do anything custom, anything that you really want within reason, if it makes sense for me to do it. But anyway, just thought you guys might want to check this out on the website in case you haven't seen it, or if you want to add a headlight and tail light to a bike and not register it, this is a great way to do it. A little bit easier than trying to do it yourself. Obviously you could do this yourself for a lot cheaper than $150, but all of my connectors and everything, it would add up quick if you tried to buy everything separately and buy it in the quantity that you would need to make it. So anyway, that's just what I've been working on today. So go check out the website. I am running a 10% off sale on the V3 kit and the V4 kit for the Varg.